Hi everyone, and welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. Thank you very much for all your continuous support. So, here is another video of practicing drawing, and I am going to draw lips today. Basically, I'm going to practice lips drawing today, the outline how to draw, lips. So, let's get started. So here I am using one color pencil. I mean, it's not necessary. I am just using this color pencil to have a better visibility because when I do practice, I generally use 3H or 4H pencil or maybe HP pencil for drawing, but that is very light, so you won't be able to see exactly what I'm drawing. That's why I have used here the color pencil. But in case if you have any pencil like 2B, HB, or F pencil or H pencil, you can use that. So, and here I will show you how, with the help of easy guidelines, how you can draw lips outline in a different shape, in a different directions. It's quite easy. So stay till the end of the video and enjoy and learn from it. I hope you're still watching the video and you can see how easily all the different types of lips can be drawn. Lips, nose and eyes are some of very important feature in facial drawing and especially portrait drawing. So if you all are looking for portrait drawing and trying to improve on that, then definitely these videos are going to be helpful, because outline is something which is very important in portrait drawing. After that the shading and the other parts come, right? But if your outline is itself is not correct, you won't be able to draw. So this is really going to be helpful. And in case if you further want to understand how to draw nose, you can check out my this video which has a similar exercise with the guidelines how you can draw nose, has explained very well. So you learn from it, enjoy it and keep drawing, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.